Congratulations on making a sale! The next thing you need is a shipping label so you can fulfill your order. I'm Darlene, and I'm going to show you how to get that done. We're going to start this demonstration from the dashboard. Select Commerce and choose Orders. Select the order that you want to create a shipping label for. On the Orders page, select By Shipping Label, located underneath the order number. Select Setup Ship Engine. Review the ship engine benefits and continue the setup process by selecting Setup Ship Engine Account. At this point, review what you'll be doing in the next steps. Agree to ShipEngine's terms of service and select Continue. Now it's time to connect ShipEngine carrier accounts. Notice you'll receive discounted rates. Select Connect Carriers now. Check the box to agree to USPS promotional rates and technology agreements, and then select Agree and Continue. Enter your billing details, and when this is done, you're ready to complete activation. Enter how much money you want to add to your account balance and turn on auto funding so your account will replenish based on the parameters that you set. When that is set up how you want it, select Continue. That's it. You're done. Go ahead and select Complete. Back on the Carriers page, select Return to GoDaddy. Now it's time to create a shipping label. To begin, enter the package info and shipment details. Be sure to confirm the Ship To address for your customer as well as where the package is being shipped from. When things look good, you're ready to calculate your rates. Select Calculate Rates. A list of shipping methods appears. Select which option works for you and then Buy Shipping Label. Your order is marked as fulfilled, the shipment's tracking number is automatically added to the details of that order, and you'll be able to download and print the shipping labels. I'm Darlene, now go create your shipping labels.